Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, price has, I already mentioned it in the Bitcoin video, price has continued to drop after my last video. That was the expectation, and we now talk about updated targets to the downside. We nearly broke the 1830 level again. We actually did. We nearly broke the yesterday's swing low again, I wanted to say. That was 1817. That is fully the expectation. Any new low will increase the likelihood that a lasting low is in place. At the moment, the RSI on the daily is still a little high. I think we still have room to the downside. As you can see, there is plenty of space left in our support area, all the way down to basically $1,700 without changing probabilities to a more bearish outcome. RSI on the daily is at around 43. I would like to get it at least below 40 for a more reliable bottoming signal. Yeah, so we're still fairly high. I mean, we are in the bearish range, but we're not oversold yet. Looking at the structure that is coming down, I still see this as a wave 2 correction after a wave 1 rally into the July highs. For anybody who's new on the channel, I see this as a so-called 1-2 setup, which is one of the most bullish setups in Elliott Wave. We captured a lot of trend reversal areas, which were similar in the past, this year, end of last year. And this is another one where ideally I see price turning around between 1700 and 1875. We are basically in the middle of the box now, and any new low will complete this overall or will increase the probabilities that a low is in. We've been waiting for lower here recently, and also yesterday I highlighted to you that due to this rally, I would not vibrate out of my chair too early. I would rather be a bit patient and wait for confirmation that the trend is already shifting to the upside, because the downside structure just doesn't look complete yet. I think I would like to see at least one more low here into the region between, well, yesterday's lows and 1780, maybe even a little lower, maybe to touch this ascending trend line that I've shown you a few times before. There is one small wave count, not change, but something I'm observing. I'm observing that on the Bitcoin chart now as well. I don't really want to make it a primary scenario yet. At the moment, I'm still looking at this as an ABC structure in a wave 2. In the C wave, that's where we are. We've got a 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as an ending diagonal. I still think this is likely what's playing out, but I may make a change to the wave count maybe tomorrow, depending on what happens. This would be an ABC structure as well in a wave 5. This is sort of what I would like to see. If you're asking why ABC, it just has to do with the situation that this move down is an ending diagonal. In an ending diagonal, in a C wave, we have 5 waves, and the 5 waves are corrective structures. So the 5th wave needs to be an ABC structure as well. So maybe we are currently doing the B wave, and then we should get one more low in a C wave. Now, there is another count I'm observing, and maybe, depending on what happens, I might make it the primary, but it would not change the targets in a significant way or anything. It just gives us a cleaner perspective. It would be a WXY structure, which is actually unfolding here. And in the Y wave, that's the wave in which we currently are, we're dealing with an ABC structure. So A wave down to here, then the B wave up, and we are now dealing with a C wave to the downside. No, the B wave would actually sit 1 second. No, the B wave would sit here. But it's not my primary, and I don't think we need to emphasize on this or this count too much. If this is the count, I mean, we can get maybe one more target here. Yeah, I could take the length of the A wave to the downside. We could go to the high of the B wave to get the target for the C wave, which is the first relevant target here would be the 1-to-1 ratio, 100% extension, 1791. But also that is in the area that I highlighted anyway, between 1828 to 1780 as a key target. At the moment, I don't primarily assume that price will max out this support area unless we get some kind of extensions here. But at the moment, I have no evidence for that. So I'm especially watching the area around 1780 and then this ascending trend line for a reaction. If something changes earlier, I will let you know, but so far the trend, in my opinion, is still down. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.